Okay, I want to thank you for signing up for the Ashland course on assessment and unit design in curriculum mapping. We're going to use this Google Classroom to assign homework and to share reflections and what we've learned by reading this book, Understanding by Design. You need to purchase your own copy of this book, either digital or physical. There's a lot of information in here. It's a pretty big book. This course is mostly a book study. You will share some of your reflections, and we'll do that a couple ways through a template that you'll type into, and I may use some Flipgrid video. In the back, there is a template that we're going to use for a final project. We're going to combine that with the use of chalk, and you're going to look at an assessment you already have or create a new assessment, and we're going to work back and kind of see how we would design a unit that teaches that assessment. And so I'm going to post some videos in here on my thoughts as well that I'd like you to watch. I'm going to try to keep them short, but this is the book you have to have, Understanding by Design, Wiggins and McTagg. And there's some other articles I may share, very short. I saw a really good blog post that I do want to share with everybody. That's the required book, and you need to use the registration link that I sent you from Ashland to make sure that you pay for the course and everything through them. And you also need to check with your LPDC on your own about reimbursement, and you don't submit that to the fall and everything else. So you're completely on your own. I'm just kind of being the facilitator of this course. Now that's what you needed. Here's some other books that you might consider. This is a very small $12 book called Solving 25 Problems in Unit Design. It is gold. This is a fantastic book by Rick Wormelli called Fair Isn't Always Equal. I'm going to pull a couple excerpts from this. I may reference it a couple times. These are not books that you need to purchase, but if you like to read like I do, and this book is just something that I'm reading over the summer and it is fantastic. It's the collected writings of Rick Wormelli. So I'll be sharing a few things out of there and some things that I find online. If you find something online that you want to share, that's exactly the kind of course this is. If we're reading something in Understanding by Design and you see a current article or you have an experience, I want you to share that with the class. So use this Google Classroom to reflect on the work that we're doing, to see new assignments. We got to have all these finished by August 2nd, and to interact with your classmates. So thanks for signing up.